Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the document and saving a backup. Make sure you can undo changes. Next, press Ctrl+H to open Find and Replace. This is faster than manual editing. In the Find field, type 2 spaces to capture multiple space runs. You do this because Word will locate each instance of the exact pattern you enter. Once done, leave the Replace field empty if you want a single space, and prepare for the replacement step. Now replace 2 spaces with 1 space. Click Replace All. You repeat this action, type 2 spaces, replace with 1, because replacing multiple spaces in one pass can miss longer runs. Make sure to check the status messages as you repeat. They tell you how many replacements occurred. If you see unexpected formatting, enable Show /hide paragraph to reveal tabs and paragraph marks, because sometimes extra spacing comes from non-breaking spaces or tabs. Finish by targeting special characters. Use S in the Find field to find non-breaking spaces and replace them with a normal space. For tabs, search for T and replace or adjust manually around lists and tables, since tabs can alter layout. If replacing all at once breaks spacing in headings or tables, step through with Find Next and replace selectively. One troubleshooting tip: if layout changes occur, revert to the Backup and Work section by section.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.